Hi there, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a dash cam installation on this 2025 Kia Sorento. It's a Torvo Dashcam. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Also buy some connectors for the fuse. Get a bunch of them, different types, and some fuse. I got this adapter as well. I'm going to use it for the dash cam because I'm going to connect it underneath here because there's no cigarette lighter in here. It's just this kind of port. So I'm going to show you how I connect it, guys. Now, also I got a light tester right there. I'm going to show you guys how to check the fuse to see which one power off and power on by the key. Alright guys, so let's start this. So let me remove the dash cam. There we go. That's it. Got this big tool right here as well. Okay, so I got the light on. Alright, so as you can see, this is the part that plug in the cigarette lighter, and this car has none in there, so I'm going to have to use this adapter in there, guys. So this is where the fuse box is at. So I'm going to find where it go right here and plug the wire in there and make the connection right there, guys. But first I'm going to put the dash cam up. So it's getting a bit dark. Alright guys, now so I'm going to remove this tape. I'm going to get it to the center. Right here. Alright, so I put it directly under here where that marker is right here, guys. So I can get it straight to the glass. Alright, so I'm gonna do the wire installation. I'm gonna run the wires from here, go across here, guys, go down to the sides. So stay tuned for that part of the video. Alright guys, so I use this tool here to fish the wire to this side. Come over here, across here, go under here, guys, come down to this part and fish it through right here. So I'm going to try to get it under the rubber, go all the way down this side, try to get it under here, guys, go to the fuse box. So I need to put it under this rubber. Alright guys, so I have to pull the rubber off the frame here to get it under there because I was trying to push it from this side. It wouldn't work. So I have to try to get it through here, guys, and then put the rubber. I'm using my one hand, so it's a bit difficult. But I'm going to get it through here and put it under there behind this cover. I'm going to pick this cover off. This cover should be able to come off. So I get that cover off. So now I'm going to run the wire, go through this hole right here, go to the fuse box. We are going to make the connection. Okay guys. And also this one I'm going to put it to the rear. So I'm going to do the same thing just like what I do this one, guys. I run the wire. So I may have to run it on the other side. On the passenger side, go to the back. or I may still run it here. I'm not sure as yet, but I'm gonna do the same thing, guys, and make the connection. But the main thing I want to show you guys is the connection, how to make the connection. You can always run your wire where you want it, guys. So that's it. Alright, guys, so this is what I'm using. This one right here. You can get it at AutoZone. This is the wire. That's it. I'm gonna plug that part in there. I'm gonna put the fuse in these two holes right here. Alright, guys, so now I cut one of the wire off. Let's strip it, strip the ends. You can see it there, guys. I strip both ends. So I'm gonna check to see which one of these are the negative or positive. So I'm gonna put the tester. I'm gonna push one of the end of the wire inside here. Then I'm gonna check that middle part right there, the middle piece, all the way down there. I'm gonna check it to see if I can get a positive current from here. Use one of the wire to connect to the fuse. Alright, guys, so I have to make some changes with the connection from the fuse that I was telling you about. So you have to end up put it up here, guys. You can see, so I got two 15 amp fuse right here at the top to the left hand side. Two of them, so the other blue one behind there, 15 amp right there, guys. It's a bit blurry. It is there. So this is a 7.5 amp fuse. So I put it right here in the third row from the two, from the left side. So I got 1, 2, and the third one. That's where I put the fuse, guys. And I made the ground connection on this screw right here, guys. A 10mm bolt. So I use a 10 socket. So you can show you guys. So a 10 socket to loose that screw. And put it on there, guys. That nut right there. With the connection to this wire. That wire right there, and plug it in. So now I'm gonna show you how it's working, guys. Alright, so you can see it's working. So I'm gonna cut the car off. Pull it off, go away. I'm gonna crank back the car. It's running. Waiting for it to light up. And there you go, guys. So that's why I make the connection for the dash cam, guys. Right here, so I'm gonna fix up these wires. Not there. Maybe get some zip tie and zip it somewhere there, guys. So it doesn't hanging and shaking all over the place and broke off or anything. That's it, guys. So I just have this one to run. You can see it's really dark now, guys. Getting dark. So I maybe do this one tomorrow. But as I say, guys, you can either run it from the passenger side, go all the way to the back, whichever way you want to do it, guys, or you can do it the same way over here, guys. I'm just removing this piece when I reach to that point or whatever, guys. So thanks for watching. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.